Land welcome everybody, TDOC on 26th November. So let's go for the price at what we explained step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, however, let's see what would happen on 1 day update if we go for this part. So the part that is good to be good is the increase in value. Teladoc stock. Okay, the Teladoc stock will be seriously one of the stocks that would increase in population because a lot of people searching about it, and this going to be fine for this stock. And that happened absolutely on 2017 since the stock stopped here in June and started to be stretched for about 6 months or 8 months for this period and then increase it in value by investment. So this will be actually happening the same thing on the same level that could be here. Okay, and that is going to be on a value of a level 27 USD. Okay, zero Fibonacci level. Uh, if we are referring that to be as one Fibonacci level. Hope you benefit from TDOC stock video.